Unboxing the OnePlus 10T is really nice and amazing. First thing first, you're getting the paperwork on the box, you're getting the stickers packed throughout the box. Getting the phone, it's really awesome because you get to see how much the product it is. The OnePlus 10T, to be honest, just looked the same as the OnePlus 10 Pro, which is it's just the same form factor, but a little bit kind of changed throughout the specification because it has much more specs and it's really dope. Whoa, what a power brick. Well, this kind of power brick has 160 watts of charging your phone, which is really extremely fast on charging your phone. A USB to USB-C cable, which is really nice cable, and it's a very tough and strong. As you can see throughout the phone, here we have it. It's really cool, and the way it's just fluid, man, and it's stock. There's not any kind of bloatware, because a lot of you guys, you might be asking, is there bloatware? Well, there's no any bloatware. And throughout here, it's really standing out. You can see you can go to the settings side and check out throughout the display. And first thing first, you just check the refresh rate, and you can see it has 120 Hz refresh rate, which is very superb throughout this phone. It's a really fluid. And throughout that, you can turn on the dark mode for the people who love dark mode, like me. I love dark mode. It's really comfortable. And another kind of stuff, you can just select throughout the eye comfort, which is really awesome if you're into that. And you can even sharpen the image, but don't just do that. Just forget about that. And another kind of stuff, you can just use it normally, because you know why, guys? I said forget about the sharpen. When you're taking pictures, you just want things to be steady, because if you sharpen, you just over sharpen if you're editing. So that's the only thing which I decided to turn it off. It's really fluid, and right now we're gonna test throughout the camera side, so as some of you guys can see what's going on. Man, that camera is good, man. That camera is really good. Just look at it. It's a really awesome. So I'm gonna snap one picture in here real quickly, and this is the wide. Snap the picture. This is the close-up. Snap on the picture. Really cool. On the video side, it shoots video up to 4K, which is really impressive, to be honest, and I kind of vibe with that. And it has night mode too, as you can spot it here. So it has different variety of modes. It has tilt shift, long exposure, macro, and many more. It's even having movie. So if you're like into shooting movie, you can shoot movie with this bad boy, and you can control each kind of things like shutter. If you want to control exposure, you want to control the lighting, you can control it here to give it much better enhancement. It's even having log, which is, man, that's cool, because you can shoot videos in log mode just like that. You can see, guys, that's a log shot, which is really cool. Then later on, you can just adjust it on the post-production, and it will be really cool. So that's about the camera side. I just wanted to share with you guys at a glance so as you can see what's happening, and it's really awesome. So guys, this is a front facing camera of me recording, just heading downways of the road. It's really cool, and you can see how it is. It's picking good. So I'm public right now here, as you can see. It's really awesome to be out here shooting this video just for demonstration. I hope you saw how it is. It's balancing the colors, not bad. It's good. So yeah. So guys, this is the OnePlus 10T. I hope you saw the unboxing. It's really great. To be honest, I kind of love this phone because it's really fluid, and it's really dope. And to be honest, surprisingly, throughout the charging brick, it has 160 watts, which a lot of phones nowadays which they're coming out, they have less than that. But throughout the OnePlus 10T, this is really remarkable. And another kind of stuff throughout the OnePlus 10T, the color which I'm having is jade green, and it's really dope. To be honest, I kind of vibe with this color. It's really cool, and there's a black version of the color which stands out really dope. But this one, it's really top notch. And throughout the OnePlus software, it's really fluid throughout using it and enjoying throughout the OnePlus software. And I kind of vibe with it because they didn't change the OS. I think it's still Oxygen OS, and it's really awesome. That's the most kind of key stuff which I was talking about so many times. If they're gonna go with Oppo, because OnePlus and Oppo, they're like partner, so if they're gonna go with Color OS, it would be like changing the whole brand but maintaining with the same Oxygen OS. It's very superb. So yeah guys, so that's what's up about the review of the day, and I hope you enjoyed throughout the OnePlus 10T unboxing. And another kind of stuff, if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And if you want to grab this OnePlus 10T, you're living in Arusha, Tanzania, you can get it at Gadgetronics, the only place to be, a home of tech, and you can just get it, and it's really awesome. So that's what's up guys, up to the next one. I'll be catching you guys, yeah, so peace.